Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, today I am going to show you a font that I uploaded. I actually purchased it for $1.50 off of Creative Fabrica, and it's called Lulu. And I think it's a really awesome font with some great character map fonts or additional characters in the character map. So I'm going to show you that particular font. So again, I got this off of Creative Fabrica, and I will link their website in the description. But I'm going to go to text and I'm going to type happy, and then I'm going to type birthday. If I can learn how to spell. Okay, so we got happy birthday, happy birthday. So this font would be really great if you were making a birthday card, um, or if you were going to use it with the offset, would be really, really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do happy birthday, and then I'm just going to put in like two um, letters by themselves so that I can use them for something else. I don't want to attach it to these two here. So actually, I may only need one. All right, so we have happy birthday, and this is again in the Lulu, Lulu font. And I'm going to be using my character map. Now, if you go down in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, these instructions are using a laptop. So if you go down in the bottom left side of your screen, you're going to have your magnifying glass or your search field, and all you'll do is just type in character map. Now, I already have selected mine, so all I have to do is select it. And so what I'm going to do is bring that character map up. And when you use the character map, it has all these different fonts that you have installed on your computer, and it actually has a character map associated with all of those fonts. So you want to find the character map associated with the font that you're using. So I'm again using Lulu. So I'm going to go down and select Lulu. And you see all of these special characters out here for this particular font that you cannot access just by pulling them up inside Cricut Design Space. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm arrowing down or scrolling down so that I can find this font that I want, or this special character that I want to show you. So look at these guys. These are actually balloons, and the balloons are associated with the letters. So I want to put a balloon on the end of this Y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the letter Y here. There we go. And I'm going to remove that one. So what I'm going to do is select this Y. So to select it, that Y with the balloon, I'm going to hit select and copy. And then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to delete that Y. And then I'm going to Control V as in Victor, and I'm going to attach that Y on the end. Isn't that the cutest thing? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place another balloon here. Hold on one second. Maybe not, because I want the balloon by itself, so I don't want to attach it to a letter. Okay, so here we have happy, and we're going to go back to our character map, and we're going to look for, oh, wait a minute. While I got this Y up, I'm going to go ahead and attach that character map there, since they would both be the same. So happy birthday, and we have the balloons on the end. Now, of course, if you change the coloring here, Let's just say we did red and we did blue. The balloons are going to be the same color as your letters. However, the reason I put these over to the side is because you can go in and get the character mat with the balloon. Let's see if we can find one that's not associated. Du, 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 du. Okay, so we're going to get creative. I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. We're going to go here and we're going to attach that balloon that had that Y in there. And we're going to take a shape. You know, we've been talking about slicing and dicing lately. So I'm going to take that square and I'm going to slice here. So I'm going to put them together and then slice. And then that will allow me that balloon all by itself. Okay, and then if I did not want my balloon to be the same color, then I can put the balloon by itself. Now what I'm going to do here is just change the sizing, and I'm going to unlock the proportions here so I can make it to be the same. Because I want to line them up the same way. All right, so there we have it. So what I could do is I could take this and go up and flip it, and then I could move this over and I could have a blue balloon on one side and a red balloon on the other side. And we could do the same thing. Let me duplicate that. Let's see if it'll look better at the top there. And you can kind of play around with it, guys. So there we have it. So we're always looking for creative ways that we can, bring things together. So I don't want to group all those. I just want to group that part. And then group, I'm going to make this one red. And then I'm going to group those. So now we have happy birthday with the balloon, red and blue balloon on each one. And you can kind of play around with those. And then the really great thing here is you have access to your offset. So if you want to kind of thicken these up, you can put your little offset on there. I forgot to hit apply. I always do that. Chime in the comments if you do that too. You forget to hit the apply. All right, so I'm just going to put an offset on this one as well. And I'm just going to hit apply because the setting is already there, and put yellow behind that. Is that not the cutest thing, guys? That is like the cutest. So we're going to go ahead and group those together. And now we have happy birthday. And you could even get more creative by adding the name, you know, or, bringing them together to look like that. But you can kind of play around with it. But again, this font is called Lulu, Lulu. I got it from Creative Fabrica for $1.50. Can't beat that, guys, because this is a really great font. So what I'm going to do is let's see if they have anything else that's kind of cute out here that I overlooked before I end this tutorial here on this character map for Lulu. And let's see what we got. I think I saw some tails out here earlier. And it looked like it may not be moving, but you can tell in the bottom left corner, you see the information changing. That means that it's scrolling through all the different characters. What is that? Okay, let's go back up. I don't think it's anything else that I may want to see down here on the end. We got some little tails out here, like what we did with the faith sign. And one of the things I do want to say is if you do use one of these and you come back out and grab another one, okay, that one doesn't want to play fair. But if you do use it, make sure that if you, once you're finished, that you go down here and just delete the one that was there. Because if you have one already in there like that, and then you go and add another one and say select, it's going to show both of them in there. It's acting up right now because I've used that offset. But is that not the cutest thing right there? Happy birthday. Then you can go in. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Hold on one second. We want to make it a basic cut. And we want it to all be stuck together. So you could do it as a print thin cut, or you could have it as a basic cut, whatever your pleasure. Of course, if we change it to a print thin cut, you know, we have those size restrictions within Cricut Design Space. But at least when you click on Make It, you're going to see it as one whole. So it will print this out as a whole and then come back and cut it. And if you leave it, I'm just going to go back up here. It's taking too long. Oh, that's why it's doing that. Unflatten. And just leave it as a cut. Then, of course, you want to make sure you have the appropriate colors of vinyl when you put it in. And with the basic cut, nothing's going to the printer. It's all just going to be cut vinyl. Okay, so I just wanted to come in and show you that font. I fell in love with it when I saw it. I was like, are those balloons attached to this character map for the Lulu font? And yes, it was. And so I just wanted to share that with you. Alrighty, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this process, feel free to reach out. If you're currently in my Facebook group, thank you guys so much for being members of my Facebook group. It's a private group. If you would like to join us, the group name is Ken Doris' Cricut and Creative Crafters. And also, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you like my method of teaching, then you can also like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. All right, guys, that's it. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. And as always, each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day.